California's classic car enthusiasts face a setback as the state's lawmakers reject a bill that would have exempted their beloved vehicles from stringent smog requirements. The dream of preserving these rolling pieces of history remains just that, a dream. Leno, a renowned car collector and former late-night host, had proposed a law that would have granted classic car owners a much-needed break from the state's rigorous emissions testing. But despite his star power, the Assembly Appropriations Committee shot down the bill, leaving car lovers disappointed. The committee, led by Assembly member Buffy Wicks, offered no explanation for their decision during the hearing. However, state officials warned that the proposal could cost the state money, with influential environmental organizations opposing it. When asked about the rejection, Wicks simply stated, "I'll have to go back and look. I can't remember." Senator Shannon Grove, who introduced the bill, expressed her deep disappointment. "California has let down classic car clubs across the state," she said. "From lowriders to hot rods, these vehicles are a part of our history, and it's sad to see them being overlooked. But here's where it gets controversial. The bill, known as Leno's Law, would have exempted classic cars manufactured before 1981 from emissions testing every 2 years and at the time of purchase. It would have applied only to vehicles with special, historical vehicle license plates and insured as collector motor vehicles." Leno, who owns nearly 200 classic cars, testified about the challenges of owning and maintaining these vehicles in California. He highlighted the time and cost involved in testing older cars, which often requires specialized equipment. "It's not impossible, but it's tricky," he said, "and it's a major barrier for many enthusiasts." The bill had support from various car clubs and the California Automotive Wholesalers Association. However, clean air groups and regulatory bodies opposed it, citing concerns about reduced revenue and the need for additional staff and resources. And this is the part most people miss. The Appropriations Committee's suspense file is where hundreds of politically sensitive bills quietly die each year. With little transparency, only a few insiders know the real reasons behind these rejections. It's a process that leaves many wondering about the fate of their proposals and the future of classic cars in California. So, what do you think? Is preserving classic cars worth the potential cost to the state? Or should environmental concerns take precedence? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's spark a conversation about this controversial issue.